Hi there. Do you have any kids at home? As a mom of 3 little ones, I know how important it is for you to use safe products. In this video, I'll show you how to seal your kids' furniture, so stay tuned. When picking products to use on children's furniture, it's important to be aware of product safety. Kids often chew on their furniture and it gets used so much it needs to be a durable finish. With our all-in-one decor paint, we have done independent product testing so that you know for sure that the product is VOC free as well as safe for children's furniture. We tested our product according to the European Toy Safety Standards Act, which means that our paint is even safe to use on children's toys. So it's definitely safe for your furniture. In this video, I want to show you how to seal your children's furniture with hemp oil or with our natural wax. The reason you want to use these products is because they're all natural and completely safe to use on children's pieces. Our hemp oil is one option for sealing kids' furniture. It's completely 100% natural. There's no additives added or chemical dryers or anything like that. It's 100% natural Canadian hemp seed oil. A second option is our natural wax, which contains beeswax, carnauba wax, and tree nut oil. It's also completely 100% natural. Just a really quick word of warning that some people might be allergic to hemp seed oil or to the tree nut oil in the wax. An allergic reaction is very unlikely. However, if you have somebody that is allergic to tree nuts, then you probably want to avoid using these products. So first of all, I want to show you how to use the hemp oil on this little kit chair that we painted in the color Happy Hour. You can apply the hemp oil with a paintbrush, the painting sponge, or simply a rag. Today I will show you how to use the painting sponge, but you can use any of the other application methods as well. You don't want to apply too thick of a layer. You just want to use a small, thin layer of hemp oil. And the hemp oil, what it does, it adds protection and a little bit of sheen to your piece. Okay, so now I'm going to use my rag to just buff it so that there's no excess hemp oil left. And then you can just finish the whole chair with this completely 100% natural finish for your children's furniture. On the next chair, painted in mermaid's tail, we are going to be using our natural wax. You simply want to take your wax brush and swirl it around in the wax jar. And then apply a thin coat all over your piece. And you definitely don't want to apply too much. Now you're going to use a rag again to buff your wax so that it adds a bit of sheen and so that all the excess wax is removed. And then you can finish the rest of the chair with the natural wax. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks for the wax to fully cure and harden. However, you can use your furniture piece that is waxed after about 2 days. So you don't have to wait 3 or 4 weeks before you use it. If you ever have any questions about finishing furniture pieces for your children, please don't hesitate to reach out to us anytime and we would be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching and happy painting!